You are looking at the world's oldest wild bird, a Laysan albatross named Wisdom, who was first banded as an adult in 1956, making her at the very minimum 63 years old. Rocking that gray power, she hasn't slowed down a bit and continues to regularly reproduce, with this year's hatchling believed to be her 35th. Rearing a baby albatross to self-sufficiency is a heavy investment and requires the cooperation of her lifelong partner. Together, their shared ability to protect and feed the vulnerable chick will determine its survival, because if anything were to go wrong, the couple would not attempt to lay another egg until next year. It is every November when hundreds of thousands come to nest at the Hawaiian Midway Atoll Wildlife Refuge, where Wisdom's continued arrival has repeatedly advanced our understanding of the species' longevity. To keep up to date with her whereabouts and other wildlife in the refuge, consider following the Friends of the Midway Atoll Facebook page, which can be found in the description below. Once again, thanks for tuning in, and giddy up!